The Communities of Trust Committee is an organization of county agencies, federal agencies, state agencies, community members, our faith community that work together to enhance the relationships with public safety in Fairfax County.
Our main goal is to help enhance the relationships between the public safety agencies and the communities.
We're having a public safety job fair on November 16th at the Bethlehem Baptist Church. Several different law enforcement agencies at the local, state, and federal level, but also the general county government, the schools. It's a great opportunity for our community to come out and see the job opportunities that are available to them.
The objective is to go into the community and with all of our public safety agencies, have the community come in and apply for positions within those agencies. Bring the agencies to them instead of them having to go find where they can get a job.
We have police officer positions, crossing guard positions, but additionally there are volunteer positions with volunteers in police service, auxiliary police officers, police cadets. So we have several opportunities for our community, young and potentially retired, that want to make an impact in their community.
It's for all of Fairfax, for Maryland, D.C., because we want to recruit from wherever we need to recruit. And there are a lot of job opportunities. So this is another way of getting those jobs and the information to the community as opposed to the community trying to find them.
Learn more information about the event by visiting the Communities of Trust website. They can also follow the Communities of Trust Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram page to get additional information. And also the police department is putting out information on all of our social media platforms, to include Nextdoor.